Hi, friends! If you want to upgrade your Microsoft Excel skills to the next level, then this course is for you. This course includes all-important basic and advanced Excel formulas and functions, protection, management, data analysis, and macro with lots of practical examples used across different industries. This course will empower not just students but teachers as well as employees and entrepreneurs. It is an 16 hours video course with 58 videos. You can get lifetime access on mobile and computer. Certificates of course completion are accredited to all learners after successful course completion. You can even become Excelsheet partner and earn a 50% commission from each sale. Your Excelsheet instructor name is Sarfraz Mohammed, who is an educator by profession in a reputed IGCSE Cambridge board school, with multiple years of academic as well as corporate experience. Then what are you waiting for? Go to the description link and get it at special sale offer price.